In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom size on Canva so you can make your designs truly unique. Whether you're creating a new poster, a custom graphic, or simply tweaking your design's dimensions for a specific purpose, customizing the size on Canva is a breeze. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the button that says Custom Size. It's typically near the top right corner, just below where you might start a new project or select a template. Clicking on Custom Size is your entry point to tailoring dimensions exactly to your needs. Once you've clicked on Custom Size, you'll be presented with fields for width and height. Here, you can input your desired dimensions. Let's go ahead and type 51 in both the width and height fields. This will set the exact measurements you require for your project. Canva uses pixels as the default measurement, so if you're looking for a different unit, be sure to adjust it accordingly. It's important to input the correct dimensions to ensure that your design fits perfectly within your intended space, whether it's for print or digital purposes. After you've entered your custom dimensions, it's time to move forward by clicking on Create New Design. This will open up a fresh, clean canvas with your specified measurements, ready for you to unleash your creativity. With this setup, you're primed to start designing without worrying about cropping or resizing later on. Now let's get some content onto your canvas. To do this, navigate over to the Uploads section found on the side panel. This is where you can upload images, logos, or any other files you want to incorporate into your design. Click on Uploads, which will open the File Upload section, where you can either drag and drop your chosen image or select a file directly from your device. When you've chosen your image, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. This is a straightforward way to add visual content to your design without fuss. You can further adjust the image placement by clicking and dragging it to your desired position. This ensures your design layout looks just right. And that's it, you've just created a custom size design on Canva. This flexibility allows you to tailor your projects precisely to the specifications you need. Remember, experimenting with different dimensions can lead to exciting design possibilities, so don't hesitate to explore. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more empowered to customize your Canva projects. Happy designing!